This lawnmower, as you can see, this is the piston head right there, the cylinder. We got the valve cover over here. Got two valves. It's one overhead cam. It was spilling oil everywhere, losing compression. So we'll see. We're gonna replace the gasket right over there, and we'll see what happens.